If you use stock photography, you want to get access to a massive library of high-quality royalty-free images. So we are bringing back one of our most popular picks ever. Depositphotos is a library that has over 195 million high-quality royalty-free stock photos as well as vector images. You can find the perfect photo for your project or document with this resource. You can browse through categories such as nature, architecture, people, and animals to find the perfect image. Depositphotos also offers an API to integrate the library into your own website or app. Get Depositphotos Appsumo lifetime deal in a limited time, so don't miss this offer. What is Depositphotos? Depositphotos is a library with 195 million high-quality royalty-free stock images and vector images. So, you can actually use Depositphotos to collect your audience with high-quality content from around the world. It's an alternative to Getty Images. It lets you access a library of 195 million plus royalty-free stock photos, vector images, videos, and music. It also helps you easily captivate audiences with high-quality content from professionals worldwide. Depositphotos is suitable for the author, blogger, advertiser, presenter, and videographer agency who wants high-quality stock content. Depositphotos lifetime deal features. It has many features to help you get royalty-free and high-quality stock photos and vector images. High-quality image video. You can download high-quality images video unlimited from here to download your video royalty-free stock image and vector image effortlessly without any hassle. Also, you can download the video file. You have two options: one, free, and you can buy a premium photo. You can use this website bilaterally. You can even use it for free. You can download pictures, music, and music videos from your system without any option, and you can get unlimited to do this easily. You do not need your opinion to write. You can download images using any method. High-quality image and video. You can download high-quality images and video unlimited from here to download your video royalty-free stock image and vector image effortlessly without any hassle. Also, you can download the video file. You have two options: one is free, and you can buy a premium photo. You can use this website bilaterally. You can even use it for free. You can download pictures, music, and music videos from your system without any option, and you can get unlimited. To do this easily. Easy interface. You can use it easily. You can easily download various materials including photo, video stock used for any of your projects, including your blog project presentation. You can download it by purchasing it for free. This website has been sent to the audience in simple language, making it more acceptable to its customers than other websites. Highlighted features. Easy to use. Simple tool interface provides feedback and suggestions. It offers a variety of exercises. Updating interface. Easy interface. You can use it easily. You can easily download various materials, including photo, video stock used for any of your projects, including your blog project presentation. You can download it by purchasing it for free. This website has been sent to the audience in simple language, making it more acceptable to its customers than other websites. Highlighted features. Easy to use. Simple tool interface. Provides feedback and suggestions. It offers a variety of exercises. Updating interface. Depositphotos offers you many tools to integrate your favorite tools you always love. Row creates. You can create diseases through this Depositphotos website. You can easily present, use technology, and arrange different types of tools for the project. Remove background. You can easily remove the background of your photo or image through the Depositphotos website. The interface Depositphotos used by the website to remove the background is very simple. File search. The photo search option makes the Depositphotos website so easy that anyone can use it easily. You can easily search for the photos needed for your project here. You won't have to worry about finding other video music components for your needs project. You can easily find your photo through a few categories. You don't need any prior experience to find your photos. You don't have to worry about anything. You can easily download the necessary photos of your project from here. Free subscription. You can make a free subscription Depositphotos website. Two ways: one is free and the other is premium. If you want to use premium quality, you must buy it. Depositphotos has developed various plans for using weekly, monthly, yearly, and Appsumo lifetime. You can use any plan from here for your project. Customer benefit of Depositphotos. Use for free 70,000 files. Essential subscription. Cheap small subscription plans compared to competitors like royalty-free stock photos. A good collection of built-in tools. Simplify your workflow, such as a free image upscale. Low prices and allow the minimum purchase. Downloads any size available, up to HD at no extra cost. Extended licenses, separate packs. Transparent and easy to understand. Speciality of Depositphotos. Categories: keywords, photographer, color, size, orientation, and 2 filters: adult content and licensing. Buying and monthly and annual subscription options. New flexible plan for small buyers. Global languages like English, German, French, Russian, Spanish, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, and Polish. Depositphotos lifetime deal by Appsumo. Appsumo is the #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Because among all the lifetime deal related websites globally, Appsumo is the best. I think Depositphotos is the best Appsumo lifetime deal offer ever. You can even get an additional discount offer of up to 98% on the Depositphotos lifetime deal from Appsumo. Depositphotos is a great resource for finding high-quality stock photos and vector images. With over 195 million images, there's sure to be something for everyone. If you're looking for royalty-free images, Depositphotos is the perfect tool for you. If you are an action taker, you may want to consider getting a Depositphotos Appsumo lifetime deal. The deal costs only $39 for a one-time payment.